In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce PDF file size in CutePDF. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your file, which you want to reduce the size of. Then you want to go to File, top left, and you want to click on over here where it says Reduce File Size. Now, whenever you do this, as you can see, you'll be able to change the image resolution, which is the main thing. So we can just go and basically change these resolutions over here. I'm going to go from 72 to, for example, 40 over here and 40 over here as well. And of course, you can change this as well. So I'm going to leave it at 300. You can do whatever you want and then hit the OK button just like this. Now it's going to allow you to basically save the document. So I'm going to save it over here and now I'll show you what the differences are. So if I actually go over here, you'll see that I do have two PDFs saved. This one, the tutorial document first, is the one I saved without actually altering the size. So as you can see, it's 69.7 kilobytes. But if I go to this one over here, which was saved just now, as you can see, it's less than half the size. Okay, so of course if I open it up, the quality may be a bit worse. So if you have like a lot of images, the quality may be compromised a bit, but for me over here it actually did a very good job, and as you can see, it pretty much hold the quality. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.